This is Chris getting ice off the trailer. That is where our power goes in and our water. Our power thing broke last year from ice falling, and it knocked the yellow thing out. So we got to fix that today. And he's getting all the ice off the side. That ice buildup causes issues on the inside. So now we have ice on the inside, and then as it melts, it causes water. So we're taking care of that today as well. As you can see, this is part of our winter chores, getting ice off the trailer. That was kind of our quick, generic fix. Got to get it done before he goes out of town for work. You can see it's just kind of hanging on there. We got all the power unplugged, so there are no accidents. You see how it kind of pulls out. It is not supposed to do that. And Chris is going to build a casing, basically, put around it and hold it in so that that doesn't happen. See, everything's frozen. Do you need some help? Can I hold the white part while you pull the yellow part?
I don't think it's even a matter of that.
Right. This is Chris's workshop. Poor guy needs a really real workshop. continuing on the repair that Chris was doing Saturday. Got pulled off of it, other stuff to do, and time just ran out, and now he's working. So I'm going to finish it. So I'm going to do my best. First time ever using this tool. I made my measurements the best way I knew how to do it inside, and now I got to make my cuts using this thing and cutting the insulation that is going to go on the back. And I can't film it because I don't have a tripod. And I'm going to do my best and try to finish this up for Chris and help him out, and then I'll try to get a shot of it once it's all done. Okay, this is the finished product. This is the front sides, how it's going to go over the power pole, or the power plug, and also our water connection. And what I did with my little pieces was I put them on like that, because it needed to be raised a little so that it would fit over it. And it's going to go over this. This piece will go like that. And then I will fit this piece down here on the bottom. It'll fit better than that. When I'm all done, it'll look better. And then I will let you see the finished product. Alright, I got it installed. It was a little bit of a pain because I do have ice melting. I got all it up that I could. Some of the tape's coming off. I'll have to come up here and redo it again. Good thing is, one, my hands aren't freezing because it's like 34 degrees today. And the tape isn't freezing as soon as I take it out to tape it. So I don't have to do it super quick. So that's a plus of doing it this temperature. Bad thing is all this ice has been melting, and I've been trying to get it off and clean it. But it's just wet. So the tape is on there as good as it's going to get. I'll keep coming out here and drying and tape some more. I know it's not perfect. I'm not a professional. I'm a Florida girl. But that's okay. It's up there. It's doing what it's supposed to do for now. And I'll get it better this weekend when we can work at it together. There are some issues with one person doing it, because when I push down here, this part wants to pop up, so I need him to hold here while I finish down there. But for now, it's doing what we need it to do, and it'll work until this weekend when we can get back out here Friday and work on it some more together. All right, that's it.